Guys, come.
Guys, put your device on the floor. Come.
Come.
Oli, come on.
It's another room.
Oli, come.
Capella.
Yes. Oli, come.
Capella. Vigor, yeah. I'll just show you. Where's Oliver?
He's coming.
Sorry. Why was somebody coming in? But we can get closer. Get closer. I want everybody to be skinny. Capella.
Everybody is to.
Okay. Okay. So, who's gonna tell her? Written a camera. Who's gonna tell her? Okay. So why we going? What we doing for Daddy?
We're doing a surprise
Okay. Where we going?
to Fort Myers.
Why we going there? What was the occasion?
to, because of Father's Day.
Okay. Well,
Well,
I'm gonna tell you.
something. You got prank.
Come here. You got prank. Come
Lisa,
here.
come. Come.
You got prank. So, listen. Actually,
Guess what?
we're going on a weekend getaway
For you guys.
for you guys for summer.
I thought it was Daddy.
Listen,
Listen. That's
we're
where
going